It's now time for the home financing update, courtesy of First Republic Mortgage Bankers.
I'm very happy that you're in the building. We had Eddie Albert, we had Jason. Now we've got the refi doctor, Mr. Shazim himself, right here in our studios. You know, we're so happy that you are here, man.
It's a pleasure. Thanks very much. I appreciate it. I love being here. Reggae music is part of my life too, brother. Trust me on that.
And rumor has it you might be here more than you.
More than I want, huh?
Yeah. But that's good though, man. I mean, everything that you guys are doing at First Republic, I mean, I got to say thanks. You know, I really got to say thanks. I mean, so many people buying homes, so many people refinancing. And, you know, a lot of folks would not know where to go if they weren't being educated so frequently here on Link Up Radio. So we're very happy for that First Republic Mortgage Bankers is physically within the community, not just on radios, but on radio stations, but also in the newspaper, on television. Caught Scott Siskin on CNN the other day. I was like, yo, I know that guy. I know that guy right there. That's Scott. Did you see it, Sean? Scott, right there in the CNN break. It's like, yo, yeah, things are going on, Scott. Nice. We need to talk, Scott. We need to talk. We need to have a conversation, Mr. Siskin. A very serious sit-down conversation, man. CNN? But I don't think CNN has got anything on Link Up Radio, though. I really don't think so. What do you think?
It's a different, it's a whole different pull, Squeeze.
And I didn't ask you that, man. No, Shazim. I didn't ask you that. I don't think CNN has got anything on Link Up Radio. What's your response?
CNN has got nothing.
Oh, thank you.
On Link Up Studios / Jamrock Production.
So, Link Up / Jamrock Production. We should get like CNN kind of ends, right?
You negotiated with the wrong person right now, bro.
See, I let him right up that path and he walked right into it. But you know what? Speaking of ends, I mean, we can give people so much ends right here, man. There are a lot of folks out there right now who need ends. You know, they need to get ends before, the holidays over. And you can pre-approve people, you can pre-qualify people, you can lock people in at very low interest rates because you're from a direct lender. Correct. And, we see a lot of people huffing and puffing, across the entire tri-state area. We see a lot of people saying, how can First Republic Mortgage Bankers do such low rates and do low rates below everyone else and is surviving and growing aggressively and more, being able to back us with more airtime. People are saying, how can this bank be surviving and doing such wonders? I mean, people have prayed for the downfall of such a bank because they're so great. And I'm talking about big banks. They want to see all these smaller institutions disappear so that their life can be better. And we see a lot of big banks. I mean, recently, Bank of America bought out Countrywide.
True.
We've seen that. We've seen so many things happening. But First Republic Mortgage Bankers, as Mr. Scott Siskin said to me, Squeeze, I'm committed in helping every single immigrant out there. He has said, my parents and his ancestry, they're all immigrants.
Correct.
He used to live in a place in Brooklyn, okay? We used to go door to door and all of that stuff and everything. Up from Long Island, and he used to be a landlord down in Brooklyn. And he used to see everything, and that has just made him do so much more, of course, throughout the years in reference to the community. So you're here on behalf of his company, First Republic Mortgage Bankers, okay? And I want to know if you can do the same to help out a lot of not just immigrants, but anyone out there who really need help in this economy, considering the fact that you guys have the lowest interest rate, 5.875% for refinancing now with the FHA government-backed program.
Definitely, Squeezy. That's a good question. We are here, folks, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year, to help you with your mortgage needs.
366 this year, by the way.
Oh, okay, yeah, leap year, right?
Yeah.
But definitely, folks, the lowest rates in the tri-states is at First Republic Mortgage Bank. As Squeeze have mentioned, are 5.875%, which carries a cost per thousand only $6.08, and our APR 6.40. Now, where are we getting this interest rate from? Where is it all coming down from? Is it coming from God? Is it coming from the Federal Reserve? These interest rates, believe it or not, are given out or actually bought down by First Republic Mortgage Bank. It's discounted interest rates, okay? So yes, you can get these rates. They're available. We're not just coming up here and talking and, as I call it, flying our fat. We're here actually to take your calls to see how we can help you with your debts, with your large mortgages, I know many of you are carrying car payments, student loans, credit card payments. You looked at your equity situation and you're seeing, you know what, the value is just not there in my home. Well, I've got news for you. At First Republic Mortgage Bank, we go up to 97.75% of the value of your home. That's on a rate and term basis. So if you're looking to consolidate your first and second mortgage, if you're looking to get a low interest rate such as our 5.8%, using 97.75% of the equity of your property, then yes, you can come to First Republic Mortgage Bank. How about if you need cash out? On a 1 to 2 family, we'll go up to 95% of the value of the home. Even with past credit problems, even with current credit problems, most of you out there have got collections, charge-offs, situation that needs to be addressed. We've got a credit analyst at First Republic who's willing and able to help you with this situation. So we're not just flying our fat as we come to the radio. We're actually bringing the ammo with us so you can gain by using our low interest rates, by consolidating, by actually getting rid of that adjustable interest rate. Give us a call, folks. I'm here. I'm going to be here till 8 o'clock. Yes, the day before 4th of July, I'm here till 8 o'clock because I'm committed to helping you, your family members, and your loved ones, everyone who's got a mortgage or anyone who's looking to purchase a home. If you can't call us today, then call us over the weekends. We're going to be in the office. Our number is 718-380-0006. My extension is 372 in the office. But you can call us right now at 718-325-5555 if you're looking to purchase, if you're looking to refinance, you're looking to consolidate your bills using the equity of your home, or you just have a simple question. Even if it's to say, Shazim, you talk too much. Just give us a call. I want to hear from you. Give me feedback, folks. 718-325-5555.
Sounds like me, man. I know I've got the biggest mouth on this radio station. Yeah, I'm proud of it, though. I think it has helped.
It has.
Yeah, I think so.
Significantly.
Well, thanks a lot, man. Yeah. I think we need to speak to some people now about getting some more help right now. Folks, his name is Shazim. Right now, he's physically here in the building. And I got to remind you that Shazim is here to help a lot of folks. Once again, folks, if you're looking to make your moves in the real estate industry, you've got to call this man Shazim Ali. He's from First Republic Mortgage Bankers, and he's it is a bank that is second to absolutely none out there. Okay, First Republic Mortgage Bankers is the envy of all banks out there. I'm not even mentioning brokers or middle institutions or those funding institutions. Cannot be compared with them, and that is the truth. And once again, folks, I will say this: any financial institution out there that feel that they can give the consumer the best possible loan and know that they're really genuinely giving them the lowest interest rate, then by all means, more power to that institution.
Correct.
But if you know you're not giving the lowest possible rate, a 30-year fixed program, then I think you at least need to say to the person, you may want to go check out another institution that has a lower rate. But they're not going to say that. They're not going to. That's the reason why I, with my big mouth every day, let the people know that First Republic Mortgage Bankers is going to give you the lowest rate. And the lowest rate is what truly matters when it comes to a 30-year fixed program. And that is the reason why, before we get to the music, in another 2 minutes, I need for you to make that phone call and speak with one of the great loan officers, especially Shazim right here, right now. And it doesn't matter if you're in New York, Connecticut, New Jersey. Call him right now at 718-325-5555. Okay, that's 718-325-5555. And not because we're getting off the air at 6 p.m. and Ken is taking over. Shazim will be here through 8 p.m., right?
Absolutely.
And he would like to speak with any and everyone who would like to find out more about real estate financing. Even if it's just an education, even if it's just talking with you, all right? Just, even if it's just to call him and say, shut up, Shazim. Shut up, Squeeze. 718-325-5555. We would like to give you some more. All right? Once again, 718-325-5555. I will also personally go take some of the calls right now. Once again, a number here, 718-325-5555.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.